In this video, I'm going to be talking about the importance of getting started and the power of editing. So when you're just starting to write a piece of copy, you might see that white screen. And I'm talking about that blank Word document with nothing on it. And that can be really intimidating. And this is also known as writer's block. And not only is this common whenever you're starting a new piece of copy, but if you haven't done much copywriting or a lot of writing in the past, then this white screen is going to be even more intimidating. And the reason it's intimidating is because we don't want to write the wrong thing. We have all these thoughts going on our head, and we want to say it in a way that's effective, but we're afraid of saying the wrong things. And the way to overcome this white screen challenge is to simply get started. Just get something on the page. And the best way to do this is just to hear your thoughts and transfer them onto the paper or your Word document without judgment. Just let every thought become written and don't put any filters on it. And this is a great way to really just get your ideas on the page. And it doesn't matter if it doesn't flow well. The important thing is you're getting those ideas out of your head and onto the paper. And keep in mind, with this first draft, no one is going to read this except for you. So you don't have to worry about being embarrassed or it not being perfect. And it's actually probably going to be really sloppy, and that's okay, because you're just getting those thoughts on paper. And after you do that, then you can spend a lot of time editing. And editing is where the magic happens. It's where your copy comes to life. And depending on the length of your copy, you'll most likely rewrite it from 5 to 10 times. And that's because each time you go through your copy and you edit it, it becomes stronger and more effective. And the best way to edit your copy is to print out a copy of your copy. You want to print it out and read it out loud. And this way you can see if the words flow, if the structure makes sense, and if you're using good words that are easy to follow and not overly complicated. And you can do that multiple times. So you print out your copy, read it out loud, make changes with a pen, then input those changes into your Word document, print it again, and repeat that process. And if you do that multiple times, you're going to have a really strong and effective piece of copy. But the important thing here is that you got started, and you did that initial first draft with just a brain dump with all your thoughts, and you put it on paper.